So we start off today's video with this beautiful angle lob haircut. This is a great option for those who want to try something trendy but still keep their hair quite long. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at the hottest and best hair trends. So today's video is going to feature a nice mix of both the bob and pixie haircuts. You guys have been requesting more short styles, so let's get into today's looks. Here we see this gorgeous undercut pixie. This one features a very bold coloring of black and pink. Gorgeous color work throughout. A great way to add some instant edge to your hair. And then we see this beautiful pixie cut. So she does have nice bangs in the front with this one as well. And then we see more of an undercut pixie and move into this angled bob. So comment down below, are you a fan of the pixie haircuts or the bob, or do you just love both of them? And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. Here we see another gorgeous undercut. This one also features bold color work of rose gold and blonde mixed in. And then we see another pixie undercut. She has bangs with this one as well. And then we do see another undercut, more of like that faded style. She has pops of blue or blue coloring going there at the top, design detailing on the side. And then we see a classic pixie cut, beautiful angled bangs. And then we see a blonde pixie. This one is more of that mushroom style, full bangs in the front. Then we see another bob. This one has gorgeous color work mixed in. And then we see a lob haircut. This one is classic all blonde color. And then we see another bob. This one is also blonde. And last up, we have someone rocking a bob with peekaboo coloring underneath. Gorgeous platinum blonde. Great way to rock two trends in one. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you have, please be sure to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.